Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to convert photo to PDF. So right now we have three photos of donuts here. As you can see, these are the donuts that we actually want to convert to a PDF file. So there's a number of ways that this is gonna be handy on the future. Like for example, you scan a document and you want to actually compile those documents. So this is gonna be really helpful for those kind of scenarios. But for this example, we're just gonna want to combine these pictures of donut into one PDF file. So to do this, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up any browser that you have on your PC and go to docs.google.com. So if you haven't logged in, so make sure to log in into your Google account here and just click on the blank option here. Once in the blank document in Google Docs, you want to go ahead and drag in all of the photos that you have right now. And from here, you just want to maximize this one again. And from here, you want to click on the file at the top left of your screen here. Just click on it. And from here, you want to hover over download. And from here, you have the option to download this as PDF document. So just choose this one and it's going to download that file here as a PDF document. So you can either just click on this one, or you could just go ahead and go to its file location. So usually it's in the download folders. So here, just open this up and just click on the show in folder option there, and you'll be able to see the document here. So when we go ahead and open this one up, you'll be able to see all the images in one PDF file here. As you can see, these are the images that I've shown you before, and that's about it. It's pretty quick and it's very easy. You could do this in within like 30 seconds or even less if you could, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.